It's almost time to send the kids back to school, and if you're a parent, you may want to pay attention to our next story. A new report shows that a staggering number of 7-year-olds in the Fraser Health region have not been immunized. The CBC's Tina Lovegreen has more.
This really shouldn't be happening, and it is worrisome.
Oh, that's shocking to me that you'd put your child at risk.
I have my kids vaccinated, so I'd expect that, most people do too, but I guess not.
Numbers released by Fraser Health show that only 2/3 of 7-year-olds in that health authority have up-to-date immunizations.
From community to community, it ranges from about 60% to over 90%, depending on the age group and the specific type of immunizations. Overall, it's about 62%.
That's a rate so low that herd immunity wouldn't even happen. Herd immunity occurs when about 80% of people are vaccinated, which helps stop the spread of disease. Fraser Health runs from Burnaby to Boston Bar and covers an area of known outbreaks near Chilliwack. But surprisingly, that's not where the lowest numbers were reported. New Westminster, Burnaby, and White Rock were barely above 50%. Dr. Lee says this could be a statistical problem with data gathering.
There's public health providers, so health units provide immunizations. There's community providers through pharmacy and family doctors. We don't share our data between those providers perfectly.
So with school just weeks away, parents are concerned to learn that their children may be sharing a classroom with many students who aren't vaccinated. And some want the schools to demand proof of vaccination before allowing enrollment.
I think as a mother, I would like to know whether or not there are children in my child's class that are vaccinated and aren't vaccinated, definitely.
There should be records of that. That should be public. Medical records should be public, especially with kids.
I think that people getting vaccinations, they'd hope that everybody else would have their vaccinations.
Fraser Health says the solution starts with public health education campaigns for new parents. Fraser Health says the problem starts at about 18 months of age, when parents fail to follow up on vaccination guidelines. It says it's working with the health ministry and other health authorities to target specific communities. Tina Lovegreen, CBC News, Vancouver.